Projectile motion. A cannonball is fired horizontally with a velocity of 50 meters per second from the top of a cliff 90 meters high. After how many seconds will it strike the plane at the foot of the cliff? At what distance from the foot of the cliff will it strike? With what velocity will it strike the ground? The situation to this question is represented as follows. Here we consider this is the ground level. That is the cliff. It has a height. The height. And we have the object there, the ball, which is fired with initial velocity Vx. It will form a trajectory in this form, governed by acceleration due to gravity. The influence of acceleration due to gravity fall there. A distance from this point down to here is the range, horizontal range, x. At this point where it hits, find the time when it gets to that point hit, and also the speed, the velocity at which it hits the ground at that point there. The parameter given in this question, initial velocity Vx, is 50 meters per second. The height of the cliff is 90 meters. They're looking for the time at which it strikes the floor. They're looking for the range from the point of projection to point where it strikes the floor, and the horizontal distance. Yeah, we also are looking for the speed, the velocity at which it strikes the ground. From the equation of motion, let's say x is equals to ut plus half at squared. This equation would derive to give us h is equals to half gt squared. So this equation we use to solve to find the time. From this equation, making t the subject of formula, we have t will be 2h all over g square root. 2 times h is 90 and g is 10. That will lead us to the square root of 18. So the time is approximately 4.2 seconds. X, the range, can be obtained by the expression saying Vx, initial velocity times time. Initial velocity here is 50 from the question, and the calculated time is 4.2. That will give us the horizontal distance will range 210 meters. The velocity at which it hits the plane is given by the expression v is equals to the square root of 2gh. This is also derived from the equation of motion. 2, g is 10, and the height is 90. The square root of that will give us, as the square root of 1800. The velocity will be 42.4 meters per second.